Oh my god! There's Riff. Who's a big fan of him? There's Riff. There's Moppings over here. Where's Moppings? He's dead. He's dead. But there's Riff. You better. If someone see this, maybe Riff gonna see this video. Yeah. Oh my god. Can't believe. I'm a big fan. That guy's making a tower. Yeah. Yeah. OMG, he's using the rare wings. Is he making a video or something? Thunder Dragon! My friend! No! But look at Mappings anyway. Mapping's so cool. I love this. Thankfully I met him, but where's his pet? Oh, he doesn't use. Guys, like and subscribe to see more YouTubers. Yeah, I saw some. But but how? Wait, what? Riff. Oh my god. Riff is OP. Why am I no? Guys, there we go. Much better. Oh, where's Riff? There's Riff. Oh my god, I can't believe I met him. Okay, this is a bye, guys, but I'm just kidding. Let's wait until he wins. Not like bang ad.